a label over here. कोई यहाँ पे लिखवा के नहीं आता है कि ठीक है मैं रेपिस्ट हूँ, मैं ऐसा दिखता हूँ. नहीं नहीं, कोई यहाँ पे लिखवा के नहीं आता है दैट ओके आई एम फक्ड अप इन द हेड, तो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि ठीक है मैं चुदा हूँ दिमाग से. नहीं, कोई लिखवा के नहीं आता है. एसेंशियली जो तुम्हारे माँ बाप भाई बहन तुम्हारे आसपास जो लोग होते हैं दे आर फक्ड अप. तुम्हें दिखता नहीं होगा, but as in when you see people through a different lenses, through different conversations, you realize that okay, the next person is seriously fucked up, like he needs help. And I'm saying it because I realized, I realized it already, but kal register ho gaya. There's something seriously wrong with the way my father thinks, and I'll tell you exactly why. You might have heard about Radhika Yadav's case, right? The girl who was shot 3 times in the back by her father. Pause for a second. What do you think about it? What do you think? Like, what do you as an individual think about what happened? I really want to know. Please tell me so that I am not so disturbed. But we were talking, me and my father, my mother and I, we were sitting on the sofa in the hall yesterday and we were talking about, my mistakes. And somehow the talk came of Radhika, and my father was like, she must have done something to warrant her father's reaction. Her father must not be mad. उससे पहले जो मौमिता का केस था, the doctor who was raped last year in her medical college, we were talking about it, my father and I, and my father was like, लोग पागल नहीं होते, वो भी कुछ कर रही होगी. It hurts me, it really does, and I do not want to tell all of this to you, but because it puts me at a disadvantage, right? Because it puts me at a fucking disadvantage out in the world. But I feel like you should know कि कोई label लेके नहीं आता, What my father could not answer is that what could a person possibly do to warrant death? What did Radhika do that her father shot her 3 times? What did Momita do that she got raped so brutally? ऐसा क्या ही कर दिया होगा? But no, my father out loud said कि ये तो होता ही रहता है, उनको बाहर नहीं निकलना चाहिए था, blah blah. All of the typical male comments that are given under videos like that where people are defending the male. Yeah, my father was doing that as well, and I feel like, again, it's fucked up. I do not want you to type nasty comments. This is something I just want to. What I'm about to tell you is disturbing.